Good morning and welcome back to a new video. I don't know if you can hear me, but today we're gonna show you what we're doing outside. Obviously we built that amazing swing, very beautiful. David did it yesterday, and we have another swing that we can show you, and we're gonna show you what we bought today regarding outside. So let's go. So David built this swing yesterday. We bought 30 meters of string. We only used I don't know how many meters, but we had enough to make another swing. So pretty much we have two sides. David throw a rock twice and we touch them like just a simple nut on the bottom and a board. It was meant to be a double and a romantic double swing for both of us to sit, but it's too low to the ground for us both to sit on and swing.
Too high.
Yeah, too high. So if I get up, I cannot swing myself.
I have to help her.
Yeah, so it's not a romantic double swing. It didn't meant to happen that. Okay, let me show you the other swing. And we built this one. Well, David built it. And that was the leftover string we had, and this one became super low one. This one is just like a kid's one. It's a baby swing made out of a tire. And David put also woody. And this one to protect his balls, I guess. Right?
Yeah.
I don't know where to put this one.
Well, also to hold on.
True. So it's for holding on. But it's very cool. And we have update on our stork. The stork lady arrived. She's there. She's literally not scared of us at all, I think. And here we have the trees we bought. We bought 2 apricot trees because if you put one alone, it doesn't grow that good. So we bought 2 because they feel lonely, I guess, and 1 plum tree, but a red plum, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we bought also 3 raspberry bushes, 1 black currant, and 1, I don't know how it's called. I know how it's called in
Red currant.
Red currant?
Yeah.
And 1 red currant. And so David needs to cut the grass so we can plant them. Oh, and we need to go pick up another 50 strawberry bushes. We call the lady and see if she has them ready. It's literally around the corner for us. She literally lives around the corner, like 2-3 kilometers. So we're gonna go pick them up and start planting.
I'm gonna clean it up here, and with the trimmer I'm gonna cut the grass down so we can plant it off.
Yep.
And we'll show you how it looks now. All cleaned. All of it is cleaned.
Nothing looks clean, but it is clean.
We cleaned where we need to clean it. There's still a lot more to clean around it, but oh my god, tiring. Ugh, tiring work. Need to clean this. Look at this mess. Oh my god. But for now we're not planting anything there, so it's not so important, but we're gonna plant here.
Yeah, we need the space for the trees there.
So we have these 2. These are 2 gooseberry tree leaves we got from a grandma. And these ones are pretty simple. You just put dirt. You could just stick them in the ground outside, but to get the process faster for them to get roots, if you do it inside, if you leave them inside, they're gonna grow much faster. So we're just gonna put some dirt in here. So now you put it in and around like as much as you can squeeze your fingers out. I don't know how to say that. Needs to go quite deeply in, like that. And then you put it inside, and that will start to sprout out the roots. And whenever the roots are done, you just take it out, plant it outside, and that's it. Let it grow. Gonna take you maybe 3 years, maybe 2 years until it starts to give berries. This one might be a bit much earlier. This is a bit bigger root leaf. Okay, so those 2 are in. Those go inside, and they will sit for a few weeks until they are done. Clean my table.
Here we have the 2 apricot trees. I'm thinking to put them like this. One there, 3 meters distance, because they need to have 3 meters distance.
Because of Corona?
No, Corona has 2 meters distance.
Ah.
So they have to have a bit more distance, just in case they grow nice and big and strong. But they need to be still next to each other. So 3 meters difference, one there, and then the next one probably there. Or there? Or there? Oh, more back. So let's first put the 2 apricots in, and then we're gonna see where we're gonna put the plum.
Okay, Fluffy, wanna do?
This is gonna fall that way, that's why. Bobo, poor tree!
Stop it. So first one's done, next one's gonna go here because my shadow is 2 meters roughly, and that's like a meter extra.
Yep.
That's my method. So here's okay, Baba?
I think so, yeah. No, ground. Oh, big worm, stork. Come here. I have a worm for you. Worm.
Doesn't
No
want.
shower.
You dropped him somewhere. Okay, Baba, keep digging.
Okay.
You have to dig this one or you're not gonna eat any apricots.
This is my apricot tree and this is yours?
Yeah, mine's bigger, of course.
This one needs to go away. What is this? Nothing. Is that another worm? Why is it not breaking?
Harder.
There we go. 5 o'clock.
Yeah, mine's just dead too. But I was gonna give it 11. And now we need to plant a plum tree.
Somewhere there.
We could plant it here,
Okay.
next to its brothers.
Okay.
I'll
Far, a
try.
bit more there. There on the stickies. No more front. Okay, yes. Plum tree is planted. And this one has also a tag, like a passport type of tag. This one is the red currant one. It was wrapped in a bag in water. And we're gonna put it back there to another ones that David thinks are red currant. Just 2 bushes. Put it
These
here.
2 I think are red currant, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna put it next to it. Bit more space, give it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
We are done. The sun is going away and I'm afraid that it's gonna rain before we even go by the strawberries. So here we have the black currant. There we have some other bushes of red currant, right?
Yeah.
And here's our new bush of red currant. And then if you go all the way there, we have all raspberries. They look very weird, very not able to grow probably, because they just look like sticks. We got our strawberries. They're actually pretty tiny. I was actually worried how we were gonna put them in the van, because I thought they're gonna be pre-grown, but they are just like newborns. Those are 50 strawberries. They look pretty tiny. So what I have been doing, and I was out of breath, I was smooshing this ground because we do not have any other way of doing it. And then I probably need to go over it with hands a bit, like this, and yeah, our stork is just stretching. So we've got that far pretty much. David found another solution. He's gonna be digging a hole in the ground and brought all of that ground up, which is like clean ground without any root or anything. And I'm going through all of them like a cake and trying to take out whatever I can take out, like this one or something, and trying to make it like as soft as possible for the strawberries to go in. and I will actually start planting some so we can see how much we need to do, because we have done like nothing really. So why do you always have to talk when I'm talking? We finished one row, well, 2 patches. This patch and this patch. It has, she said 1 feet roughly, like that feet, away from each other. She gave us 2 more, actually, more than we needed, more that we asked and paid for. I don't know if that was on purpose or an accident, but I don't know if these ones are either the Chinese ones or the Latvian ones, the German ones, I don't know. So we're gonna do those ones now. The other patch with the other ones, obviously. Yeah, and the Chinese ones or the other ones, each of them grow for 5 and the other ones for 7 years. So let's go. Strawberry. Cutie. So we have another patch, and David filled up these cups with 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 strawberries that we have laying around everywhere, pretty much. So he filled up the cup there. So now we have 1 type of strawberries and another type of strawberries, plus this one line has wild, I don't know, whatever strawberries really. And yeah, that's it. Give us a like or comment down below, whatever you want. And that's it with this video. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.